We back with a banger, Jordan 1 Low. Yo, where's the star of my show at? What you talking about? I'm right here. I'm talking about the kids, man, not you. It's called Kids and Audio. He's just a host. The host. I'm bringing you heat. I'm bringing you fire. I'm bringing you bangers, man. Hey, man, you get peanuts before the butter, baby. You just the host, man. Let's get to the kids, man. All right, man, let's get into the heat. Right here, we got the Jordan Low ones. You see this box? Do you know what this is, baby? Oh, huh? See the box, Jordans, baby? Look at that jump man right there, huh? 23. It don't say it, but we know who this is. On the last dance, let's see what we got here. Oh, 23, all on the box, on the wrapping. Ooh, baby. 23 right there, baby. This right here. Man, oh man, I feel like Michael Jackson need to wear these mugs. Look at this right here. Man, the colorway is fabulous. My wife went here, she picked these up. You see the Jumpman 23 right there. The Jordan symbol, baby, you know what it is. Air Jordan on the back. It's Air Jordan Low 1, baby. Oh yeah. You see this? This is fire, baby. I feel like, yo, when I see my wife with these on, I be wanting her to do a Michael Jackson movie. You feel me? But yo, this right here, these are fabulous. This is actually really put together. The colors are in the right places, as you see. Hold up, okay. Let me well, you know what? I will get y'all on foot, but these hasn't been worn yet. So when I get a chance to get her to wear these and I get an on foot video, I'm gonna bring them straight to you. But yo, stay tuned, hit the like button, subscribe, because this week we got some Kanye West coming in, baby. And I'm gonna bring y'all on foot of the Jordan 1's Royal Toe. I ain't bring y'all the on foot last time, so I'm gonna bring y'all the on foot of that next time. These are coming up. This is just 2 sets, you baby. Oh yeah. I love it. I like it. My wife got these. I like seeing. I'ma love when she wears these, cause I haven't seen her in it yet. I was about to say I'ma like seeing her wear them, but I'ma like when I see her in it. You know what I'm saying? So yo, you know what it is? Audio, baby.